Baby.
Let's go on a road trip, but don't laugh when you see my car.
Why would I? Really? Really? Yeah, welcome. Take me away. Oh my.
A few moments later.
This is so cute. So here's the story. I've been beaten with work all week, and I knew it was finally time to do something spontaneous and just for fun. So you're welcome to the great truck adventures. Take me away. I forgot my tripod, but the thing can stand. What can't you drive?
Right now, I can fly a jet fighter. How do you call it? A helicopter.
Like, okay, so oh my god! Look at how tiny this guy is.
It's not fun.
Jesus. Where are you taking me to?
So I'm going to Wager to pick up some stuff. So when I'm coming, I'll either pass Spintex or you come and go to Tama. Do you get me? Yeah. So it's
one or two things. So you might not leave the car.
Exactly.
Anyway, I thought I was escorting this boy to deliver this tiny truck.
Oh, I will deliver it.
When
I pass Spintex, I'll leave the car there. But when we go to the mother one day, then I'll see.
We had to stop on the motorway to fix the hatch of the car. But you know your girl. The top of the world! People are watching us. No, I want to stay up here. Go and drive.
It's either he likes you, he's trying to woo you or get you or something. But it's not like just friends. Do you get me? Yeah.
So men are assholes.
Well, you can put it that way.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my
Come to video.
So I can write it down and become the
thank you
for you.
How do you want me to drive first? I should drive first.
Flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be your rock.
Then your nose like something inside, but it's not nice. Oh.
I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just laying blankets.
But I'm washing the oil. Yeah.
I'm so glad.
Vlogmas Day something, I've lost count. And today I followed
Please. Oh my god, of course. Come and hold this for me.
No.
Alright.
I said no.
Please.
How can you use women like that?
I'm begging you.
Okay. You have to tie this, please.
Yes.
You tie this thing. That's what I was asking. That's what we're supposed to pay. And now, this Friday, I'm in a distance. Let's go. let's go and get fried yam. I'm a governor's favorite.
I'm coming to add this.
What are you coming to add? Is that fried yam? It's kinky. Oh, no. It's kinky or fried yam. Bang. Thank you. We get fried yam around. It doesn't look bad.
Or we should go to that side.
Oh, you want roasted plantain?
I'm asking you.
May I do it roasted plantain?
You don't eat roasted plantain.
Oh God, time, you made me feel sweet. And if I'm losing my mind, would you lose yours with me? You made me wanna melt, like water in the pain. It's hard to keep my cool, knowing I'm your man. So let's spend some time wasting it away. Your love is like music, you went and changed the game. We're breaking all the rules, our side signs don't match.
So coming live from the West Hills Mall today. Thank you, West Hills. On to the next. Guys, we are stuck. We are stuck here in a very expensive car. First of all, you couldn't find water tank. Apparently it's under my seat. So now that I'm up, we still can't open the thing. Try. God the strongest. You can do this. Passion for her bra. So you dream our her. Into me be a water tank when into the sound of it. The cover.
I mean, you want adventure.
I know, right? Content. Because of Christmas. Born on Christmas Day. Please, we don't have Bluetooth in this car. No.
So we didn't go to Tema. We are going to Spintex, and I will leave this car at a dealership. And we are selling it. So, and then we take Uber back to our place.
Finally got here. I'm here. The sexiness. Auntie Pastor back here saying.
Makoni bebre. What's the any part to any bebre?
I'm quite for you.
Oh, came back fish back.
Do you like fish head?
No, done it. She said men and us.
That's it. People, one is dead. The people, that's it.
Sane. Bye bye. Finally, we have water.
Uncle better pay me all this my money. Let me see if it's like the
time, you made me feel sweet. if I'm losing my mind, would you lose yours with me? You make me wanna melt like butter in the pan. It's hard to keep my cool, knowing I'm your man. So let's spend some time wasting it away. Your love is like music, and when you change the key, you break it all.
Baby.